Hey friends, it's Sonia from Jug Monkey Paint Company, and I have got a super easy flip for you guys again today. I've been at my thrift store, go figure, and I found myself this just outdated frame that somebody had gotten rid of. It had some flowers, it looked kind of like a brush polish frame onto it, which I love that frame, right? So I've laid down some of my black velvet real quick, allow that to dry, and now I am digging into my napkin stash, okay? So if you saw what I just did there, I put the napkin on top of the frame, I turned it over, I used my fingernails to really just kind of lay out the edge of where the napkin needed to meet that glass insert to completely cover it to the best of my ability. And now I'm picking apart the layers, okay? So look at your napkin pack. They may be 2-ply, 3-ply. Get all those layers off. At the end of the day, you just need the top layer. Now I'm putting on Mod Podge. The wonderful thing about Mod Podge is that it is a glue, but also a sealer. So I've laid down a layer below this napkin, put my napkin down, and then going and using that same shabby chip brush to really pounce it down on the top and let it dry. And now my napkin is like sandwiched in there perfectly. So I picked up this wooden letter at Walmart. They're like $1 at Walmart, or you can go and find some at your local thrift stores or craft stores. And now I'm going to distress the frame as well. I painted my wooden letter black velvet to match my frame as well. Doing a little distressing on the edges because I'm a shabby, distressed, time-worn lover. And now I'm going back to my black velvet again with a smaller brush to really just like get those inlays of where the napkin meets the frame, right? Create that antique sort of like the corners, the edges, and this will hide any sort of like if I didn't cut my napkin completely perfect, it'll hide all the imperfections. And at the end of the day, what do I have? An imperfectly perfect shabby style decor that came from a frame that was $2.99.